Hey mathematicians, let's do your homework. Okay, today is focusing on integers. Our rules for integers are separated by multiplication and division rules, which say that a negative times or divided by a positive gives you a negative answer. Positive and negative also gives you a negative answer, and when you have two of the same sign, like two negatives or two positives, you have a positive answer. So here you can do regular 42 divided by 6 and then decide what sign it is. Same deal, regular multiplication, decide what sign it is. When you are adding integers, you are going to add up negatives and negatives. If they're the same sign, you can just add them and keep that sign. If they are opposite signs, like here, then you are actually going to end up subtracting and keeping the sign of the number that has the larger absolute value, that has more of them. So like more negatives here. So you'll do 37 minus 17, and your answer will be negative that number. Please remember that two negatives minus a negative is actually a plus. And this is 49 negatives and 23 more negatives. That's two negatives that you put together. Even if you have negatives and you're focused on integers, you are still doing order of operations, so exponents comes before subtraction. And then you can have negative 40 and 9 more negatives, which makes 49 negatives. Same deal, follow your order of operations when you're doing this problem. On the application section, we are looking for lowest and highest temperatures of the planets. You can figure out which number is the lowest and which number is the highest. Difference means we are subtracting between those two numbers. Remember that when you subtract a negative, it really means you are adding. Tell me if it's true or false. Greatest absolute value, that means distance from 0. Give me a full sentence. Yes, Felix is correct. No, Felix is incorrect because, and include some numbers. And that's it. You're done with your homework.